Kayang dorbar thau an ne kasing kala sakhi ya kajing yatain ya ka baklut bha hadien ba menteri rang ba ka jala Konrad ki sangma ulakan tho nong thok ya chief web jang kalang persha George B Lingdo na ka banta kajing kenno jang u ya ka sarkar ba kam shim la shim jingmot lang na ki beyadan banta ha ka bayasoy ya ka soskular bat ka jala asam ban penbet ya ki henriu teli ki jaka badan kajing ka jah pereng kini ki ar jala ha ba jubab halor kajing kenno jang iba Lingdo usang ma uloang ulakan tho ya uni dukhat ba ulayalam bakla ya kayeng chief web jang kalang persha ulaang ba day tang hadin ke jingkut no jang gawat ke banengkong ba ki hima bat ki wei de ki bedon benta kilapan pa ya ke jing persha ya ke jing soy ya soskular bat bala IT ya kini ki jaka sa ke jala asam dak sarkar jala menteri rang ba ke jala pat ulaang ba ke jing penbet ha kawat banengkong lale hadin kijing yalang babun bat kinong don benta bat day ha kesin ke banengkong ba menteri rang ba kejala bat ki he ki badik mi halor kane kilale naru basdang ban penlong bun tli kijing lang pat ba ke 4 Julai ko meno kat kum kijing sngo sang ma la dep ban pan jing mot na kinong don benta ki bekan thop ki district council ki NGO bat ki weru ha kawar baneng kong jong kijing ekran penbet put.
And only after the conclusion of the MOU have the HIMAS and other stakeholders objected to the signing of the MOU and the areas that were given away to Assam.
The number is misleading the House completely. And I can completely say that it's a lie, what he's saying, sir. In fact, the process of the first phase saw multiple stakeholder meetings. For the first time, the ministers and the concerned officials went to ground zero, had multiple public hearings which are on record. So, sir, I would ask the honourable member to refrain from making such statements which are completely misleading. You're in the House. This is not a press conference that is going on.
Usumbut menteri rang ba ka jala iba prestun tensong